It's a 1965 Chevelle Malibu SS. We got the car, it was a claim, and what happened was somebody literally went through a brick wall with the car. And it was about 1.5 feet shorter than it should be starting out. Well, I also got a burnt up 65 GTO, but the only thing savable on it was the frame. So we were able to use that frame for the Malibu. They all had the same frame. That's when the idea popped in my head for the build, was back in 2008, knowing that that frame was still good. What we did is start the build as a company-wide project, and it's anybody, it's not just claims, it's everybody in the company can get involved. We are restoring the car from the ground up, literally starting from a bare frame. So what we're going to do is anybody in the company can sign up and work with me for a day or 2 days or 3, and we're going to build the car starting with a bare frame.
From the first bolt that got removed to the last coat of wax that gets put on it before the car cover and the big reveal will be done by the hands of the folks here at American Modern.
The cool thing is, the first thing I tell them, don't be afraid. I said, there's nothing you can do to this car that I can't fix. Hand them the grinder, go do that.
Within a minute of them getting their hands on it, you don't have to hear any words come out of their mouth. The smile on their face, the dirt all over them. I mean, they're in it. Even people outside of the collector vehicle team, it's become company-wide, which is what the hope was in the build.
This isn't a car that Rick built. This is a car that American Modern built. And then you've got all these hands in it. We've even had agents, our partners, come in and work on the car as well, which is really cool. All of our adjusters, we always have at least 2 to 3 car guys in the mix. And when I say car guys, it's decades of being in the repair industry and a lifelong hobby. That's the model we go for. So you've got that mixed with some real high quality adjusters. They work together and build this great claims unit.
Our claims team that are associated with the collector vehicle program, they're experts. And so when they settle a claim on a collector vehicle, they're going to put that car back together like they would want it, because they themselves are enthusiasts. They want that car to be perfect.
And the sigh of relief you get from a customer that has the same passion we do for their car. They call us up, they're nervous, their baby's hurt. I mean, it's a child for them.
30 seconds
we know
it takes to
when we
put them at
start
ease.
talking car guy talk, they're relaxed. God, I'm glad to talk to you. Somebody that, they don't have to explain their passion and feel awkward about it. We have the same passion.
We have people that call us and they want to tell us their story about their car, what they've put into their car. If they say, well, I have a numbers matching 427 Chevy Corvette with fuel injection. We know what all that means value-wise, and that just builds the confidence level when they're making a purchase decision. They're more interested in knowing that the carrier that they're entrusting their car to has the knowledge and expertise.
It's all about knowledge, because we're still paying exactly what we're supposed to pay. That's our goal, is to pay exactly what we owe to get it back to pre-loss condition, no more, no less. Where everybody else, I've seen either an insurance company way overpays or way underpays.
And with the build, as you can see, we're showing not only the expertise that the folks within the collector car unit have, but also the training ability for the folks outside of the claims unit, outside of collector vehicle in general, to highlight the abilities and what's out there, the proper way. You can build any car, you can make it look nice, but to do it right from the jump is the difference that we're trying to set with the build and show it step by step.
Think about the demographics of today, and people are looking for toys, they're looking for other interests, and they need it protected. Nobody wants risk right now, but they also want to be covered properly. And that's really our focus, is to make sure that we match our products to the exact needs of the customer, and we're proud of it.
The passion is spreading outside of just that department throughout the whole company, and showing a true passion from the top down as to what we're trying to gain with the line of business, the business model, and the build.
It really is what it represents.
Exactly.
Yep. Yeah, we're building more than just a car.
Yeah.